Hey everyone, Jan here today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we can set up a workflow with a Needle that allows you actually to accept voice messages. I will just send a voice message now. Hey Jan, does Needle have an API that I can use? What happens is that we have this message updates trigger with Telegram. So as you see now, 11:21, it is today 11:21 right now. The Webflow has been triggered by the voice message that we just sent within the Telegram channel, which is really cool. So we triggered our Webflow. So we get the file actually back from our Telegram account. So we need to know the file path, because then we can pass the file path to Assembly. And AssemblyAI is like transcribing the voice to text. It's queuing it. Then we need a small code node. So we're adding here like a small 2-second sleep, because it's going to convert the voice into text. Then we get the text, and then we say in the AAH node here exactly the question. So we are getting back from AssemblyAI here a specific answer, and this answer, hey Jan, does Needle have an API that I can use? Exactly the voice note that I just sent into Telegram with my phone, as you have seen. And finally, we send back a message, and we could also send back here a reply with voice. So we could use again 11 labs and convert this to a voice message, but here we just send back a text. If we go back to our Telegram channel, we can see exactly that this has been also answered. So you see in my voice note, yes, Needle has an API, there is Needle, and the API allows you to interact with Needle platform programmatically and so on. So how can you use that yourself? Just get started with this workflow, set up your Telegram bot, and set up the channel where you want this automatically to happen. And a very great use case for this is, let's imagine you're right now outside in the field. Maybe you're with the client and you have just a discussion with the client. And before the meeting with the client, you would quickly like to know some specific details of a previous contract, or also of previous interactions and projects that you had with this client. In this case, you can just quickly send a voice message into your Telegram chat. Maybe you're just on the go, you don't have so much time, you're a bit hectic, and the Needle workflow will execute, trigger, and get you the answer right away. So you can, with a very short time, maybe even while you're walking somewhere, strictly send a voice message before the meeting. Hey, actually pull me again. What did I discuss with this client, and what were the latest updates, and what should I maybe discuss with this client today? It's really making voice AI agents available in any place. You can just have them on your phone now. And this is the beauty of building workflows with Needle. So you can just get started. It's super easy to get started with Needle. It's super easy to use this workflow. I think it's a no-brainer. You should just use it right away. And we're excited to see what you are building, and see you soon.